morning, my Maitri students, the aspiring leaders of future. I, Anushka Chana, your school psychologist, today is going to discuss upon the topic that has been given and shared by one of the Maitri student that ma'am, you should make a video on ways to focus on your study at home with smart work. So let's be smarter and not harder. So I know remote learning can be less motivating and can pose pressure upon lot of students to study at home. But today I'm going to share some tricks and tips that how you can stay focused at home. So let's start with it. Number 1, don't miss your online class. Now, what is the importance of not missing your online class is that important announcements are made at the starting and the ending of the online class. So you should make sure that you should be present in the class because these announcements can be related to your exam, related to your result, and moreover, if you find yourself that you're losing a concentration during your online class, what you can always do is you can always watch the recorded video later and listen to it. Number 2, review your notes quickly and often. Now, why this is important? After your online class, you should make sure that when you have written your notes, you should always read them. You should go through your notes so that your information is stored in your long-term memory. So while the time when you are having your online class, the information is in the short-term memory because you are in the process. But after the process, when the online class ends, to make sure that the information goes to the long-term memory, you should make sure that you're repeating your notes. The more you recite your notes, the more you will have the understanding of the concept. Number 3, create your pre-study ritual. Now, what is pre-study ritual? So before the online class, take 5 minutes to prepare yourself, collect all your material, find a suitable and a comfortable place where you can sit and attend your online class. Make sure that whenever you are attending your online class, it's on a table and a chair and not on the bed, because the bed can give you more feeling of a sleep. So to be more active and focused, make sure you are doing and prepping about your work. Put your headphones on, keep your notes along with you so that you can jot down the important points during the lecture. And the pre-study ritual will not only physically prepare you about the online class but also mentally transit you to be more focused. So always take your 5 minutes before the online class to have more focus and concentration that yes, I have prepared my mind and body to study online. Number 4, block distracting websites and application that's on your phone, tablets, laptops, computers, and that's very important. Whenever you are attending an online class and a notification comes down from your application, for example from your social media, it can be from Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, this can distract you, and once it catches your eye, it will distract you completely. It can steal your minutes, it can steal your hours, and you will be totally deterred from your study material. So whenever you know that you are studying online and during the lectures, make sure you turn off the notifications of your applications and your websites. That will increase your more focus. Next, use Pomodoro technique. Now you must be wondering what is the name all about. So Pomodoro technique asks the student to always manage chunks. When you know that you have a long task, make sure you split your studying schedule into small chunks because small chunks will be more easy by you to do and be participated. And always remember that Pomodoro technique asks the student to just invest 25 minutes on a singular task. Now you can decide your time frame whenever you want to start and whenever you want to end, but make sure that you always spend 25 minutes on the task. It will be very helpful from the long task to short tasks. Short tasks are more easy to do of a short time frame. So always follow Pomodoro technique while you are studying online because nobody wants to study for long hours and your attention span just moves hey and way. The very important step, sleep well and exercise. This is something that most of the students lack in because since we are home, we are spending a lot of time on our mobile phones, on the social media applications. So I just want to say you can absorb information more better if you are well fed, you have eaten nutritious food that can power up your studies. Next, you have slept properly. You have to take proper naps and rest so that your mind is renewed to study more. And next is exercise. Even if you are home, make sure that you spare 15 to 25 minutes for exercise that can boost up your mood and mind to study and improve your focus and concentration. So make sure that you are doing some physical activity at home to ease up your mind. Next is about goal setting. In the last video, I had talked about what is goals and how they are set. So it's very important to set your goals and tick it off when you complete each goal. When you tick it off, it not only gives you a sense of motivation but also a sense of achievement that yes, I have achieved something in a day. So always make sure you have goals in your life and that too realistic. Next is test yourself. Once you have attended the online session and you have read your notes, make sure that you set aside some time and stand in front of a mirror. And once you stand in front of a mirror, repeat all the material that you have learned and be your own teacher and test that where you are at and where you need to focus on your study, where you are lacking. So this will give you insight and awareness. Okay, so this is the space and time where I need to focus more during my studies. So always test yourself in front of a mirror. That will always give you awareness. Last but not the least, stay positive. You need to be positive throughout your online learning. I know it can be little tough for you to study from home, but so it is for the teachers. So it is a task for everybody, so that you have more focus on your study with the smart work. And soon we will able to meet physically. So stay home and stay safe. Thank you so much, students.